Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss about motion grade 9th topic. So before starting our topic, let me introduce myself. I'm Anjali Pandey. I have done my graduation in BSc Mathematics and presently I'm pursuing MA with Geography and I'm about to complete its third semester. So this is a small introduction about myself. Now let's start our topic, motion. So, have you seen a bird flying on the sky, a ball rolling on the ground, and a vehicle, say car, moving on the road? In these three situations, you will see that these objects are changing their position. Car is moving from one place to another, bird is also moving from one place to another, and ball is also rolling from one point to another. So according to the definition, if a body changes its position with respect to time and surrounding, then it is said to be in motion. So here car, position of car, bird and ball is changing, that means these are in motion. Now let's see some terminology related to motion. First is position of object. So let's see this board here, and it's not changing its position, it's stationary, and I'm moving from here to here continuously. I'm changing my position, I'm not staying at one place, so I'm in motion. Okay, this you have understood. Now see, I am moving. So what is position of object? Position of object is location of object about a particular point. So about board, my location is changing. So my location is my position, right? And what is reference point? So my position is changing about what? About blackboard. Sorry, about this whiteboard. So my location is changing about whiteboard. Whiteboard is a reference point in this situation. Now let's see definition of position of object and reference point. The location of an object with respect to particular point is known as the position of object. Similarly, what is reference point? So the particular point about which the position of object is defined. So in our example, my position is defined about blackboard, about whiteboard. So this whiteboard is a reference point and my location is the position of object. Now third thing is point object. What is point object? So if size of an object is very small as compared to distance covered by it. For example, a bus moving from, say, Katni to Panna. Right? So this distance is about 100 kilometers, say. It's not exact. For example, say it is 100 kilometers. Now compare the size of bus and this distance. You will find maybe the size of bus maybe 10 is not right, maybe 6 meters long, and compare 6 meters and 100 kilometers. So in front of this 100 kilometer, 6 kilometer is very small. So in this situation, this bus is a point object. So I think it is clear that what is point object? If size of an object is very small as compared to distance traveled by it in given interval of time, is a point object. Now let us consider another example. Suppose A, B and C are three friends. A is standing on road and B and C are moving somewhere, say P to Q, by a car. So here if we see, for A, position of C is changing. Taking A as reference point, C is changing its position. For A, C is moving continuously, changing its position, so C is in motion. But if we change our reference point from A to B, we see C is not changing its position, C is sitting at one place. So for B, C is at rest. So you can conclude that from here that if we change the reference point, the position of object also changes. Here we change the reference point from A to B, then position of C has changed. From A, when we see from A, we find C is in motion, and when we see B as reference point and the position of C in this situation is not changing, so C is at rest. That means if we change the reference point, the position of object also changes and state of object may vary according to reference point. So this is a small introduction of motion. Hope you liked it. Thank you.